Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's answer this question. Ang tanong niya, aligned po ba sa paggawa ng SOP, Statement of the Problem, yung research gap na nahanap? Yung paggawa ba ng mga tanong sa specific problem should be aligned with the research gap? The answer is no. The research gap can guide or can serve as a guide sa paggawa ng SOP or Statement of the Problem, but the Statement of the Problem should be directly aligned and anchored sa research title ninyo. Kung ano yung direksyon, yung patutunguhan ng inyong research title, yung objective ng research title, doon dapat naka-align, naka-angkla, nakabase ang paggawa ng Statement of the Problem. The purpose of the research gap is to justify the study that you are conducting, to justify that there is significance doon sa study na ginagawa nyo. Yun ang role ng research gap. Sinasabi ng research gap part ng inyong study na wala pang ganitong klaseng research ang nagagawa. Kaya yun yung sabi natin, one of the role of the research gap is to justify the conduct of the study. It can also serve as a guide in formulating your research question na nasa SOP ninyo. Okay? I hope this was able to clarify your question regarding dito sa paggawa ng SOP. Thank you very much everyone. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!